mint kidney beans stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the mint recipes, one of the most nutritious of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make mint kidney beans stew. The ingredients are around 150 grams of kidney beans, 3 to 4 sprigs of mint leaves. We have taken fresh mint leaves, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 5 to 6 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 1 red chili, 1 onion cut into pieces, 10 to 15 corns of pepper, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of coriander seeds. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the fennel seeds, the coriander seeds, or the black pepper seeds. Put in the red chili and the ginger. Sauce until the smell Let this mixture cool. Take off the flame and let the mixture cool. Take the mint leaves in the grinder. Half of the mint leaves, that is around 2 sprigs. Now put in the mixture of the onion, fennel, coriander, garlic and the ginger that we sorted earlier into the grinder. Close and grind them. Heat the pan and pour in thin oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the garlic and shallots, salt, saute, after garlic and shallots thoroughly. Serve until the shallots reach the pinkish color. Put in the taste. Put in the mixture of the mint and the onion and the fennel and the coriander that we made earlier. Thoroughly mix it to get it even. In the kidney beans We have soaked the kidney beans in water for around 6 hours. Mix the kidney beans with the rest of the mixture thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 350 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 25 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or around 35 to 40 minutes if in the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, now the mint kidney beans stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mint kidney beans stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mint recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.